Welcome back to Cars Jade, where the road meets reason and every curve tells a story. Today, we're taking a deep, passionate look at one of the most anticipated luxury mid-size SUVs of the near future, the 2027 Acura MDX. Acura's flagship SUV has long been a darling among families, tech lovers, and performance-minded drivers alike. But the 2027 model? It doesn't just raise the bar, it redefines what a three-row premium SUV should be. Let's kick things off under the hood, where the magic always starts. The 2027 MDX continues Acura's legacy of blending athleticism with refinement, but with some serious updates. The standard powertrain is a 3.5-liter V6, pushing out a solid 315 horsepower and 280 lb-ft of torque, paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission that now features smarter shift logic for smoother transitions during aggressive driving or highway cruising. But the real excitement lies in the Type S variant. Acura hasn't just dipped its toes into performance, it's going full throttle. Expect a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6, delivering 355 horsepower and a punchy 354 lb-ft of torque, combined with Acura's super-handling all-wheel drive, HAWD. It's a setup designed not only for traction but for dynamic handling that'll make you forget you're driving a 7-seater. Fuel economy stays competitive, with the base model hovering around 21 miles per gallon city and 27 miles per gallon highway, while the Type S trades a little efficiency for that thrilling kick, averaging closer to 19 to 24 mpg. For a vehicle of this size and performance, those numbers are solid, especially when you consider what this SUV is capable of in the real world. This is where the MDX really stretches its legs. The 2027 model boasts the latest evolution of Acura's precision cockpit, featuring a 12.3-inch customizable digital instrument cluster and a high-definition center display, now touchscreen enabled, finally answering long-time criticisms about Acura's previous touchpad system. Expect full support for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, an upgraded ELS Studio 3D premium sound system, and a new generation Acura Watch suite that goes beyond the basics. We're talking adaptive cruise with predictive curve control, lane centering assist, and a truly next-gen hands-free highway driving feature that's poised to challenge offerings from BMW and Mercedes. The 2027 MDX is expected to start around $55,000, while the Type S will likely push $70,000 when fully loaded. But here's the kicker. In a market dominated by German luxury brands that love nickel-and-diming you for options, Acura packs a punch right out of the gate. That's our deep dive on the 2027 Acura MDX, a family SUV with a sports sedan soul and a luxury car's heart. If you're as excited about this release as we are, hit that like button, subscribe to Cars Jade, and let us know in the comments.